Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on operations and functions. No? And in this discussion, we will have more examples of subtracting functions. No? So, what is t minus u of x if t of x equals square root of 2x minus 5 and u of x equals 4x? No? So, from the definition, yun ng subtraction, we have pag may sinasubtract tayo na function, we subtract the individual functions. No? So, magiging t of x minus u of x. Okay. And we know that t of x is equal to square root of 2x minus 5. And then, syempre, yung u of x natin, yung 4x. So, this is minus 4x. Okay, hindi na naman natin siya masisimplify. So, pwede na natin itong, this is our final answer. Next, what is the value of t minus u of 15? So, pag nakuha na natin yung t minus u of x, syempre makukuha na natin yung t minus u of any number. No? For example, in this case, 15. So, substitute lang natin yung 15 doon sa mga lahat ng x's doon sa equation. So, magiging t minus u of 15 is equal to square root of 2 times 15 minus 5 and then minus 4 times 15. Okay? This is equal to, what is 2 times 15? That's 30, di ba? 30 minus 5, magiging square root of 25 siya. 30 minus 5 is 25. And then minus, we have 4 times 15 is 60. Diba? And we know that square root of 25 is 5. And 5 minus 60 is negative 55. Okay? What is the domain of t minus u? So, kung ipa-plot natin yung domain, no? Ano ang domain ng t? Domain muna ng u. Domain of u. This is a linear function, yung u of x. So, pwedeng any value of x, positive, negative, or 0. So, actually, the domain of u is set of real numbers. No? So, R siya. So, lahat set of real numbers. However, the domain of t, no? Domain of t. Saan siya? Domain of t is, ano ang pwedeng x natin dito? Yung nasa loob ng radical sign, no? Hindi siya pwede maging negative. Diba? Pwede lang dito 0 or positive number. Wala naman square root yung negative, diba? Sa set of real numbers. So, ibig sabihin, it's either 0 ito or positive. This means that square root of 2x minus 5 must be greater than or equal to 0. If we square both sides, square root tapos in-square natin, matatanggal yung ating radical sign. Magiging 2x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. So, pag 0 squared kasi, magiging 0 rin siya. So, hindi naman magbabago yung value natin dito. And then, if we add 1, if we add 5 to both sides, no, mawawala yung minus 5 dito, magiging 2x na lang. Greater than or equal to, mag-add ka rin ng 5 dito, magiging 5. And if we divide both sides by 2, we have x is greater than or equal to 5 over 2. So, ito yung domain ng ating domain of t. No? So, for example, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Ano ang 5 over 2? Around 2.5, di ba? So, ang domain ng t is from here, 2.5. It's from here, pag ano. At lahat ng positive real numbers. And sabi natin sa mga previous videos natin that the domain of the sum or the difference or the product of two functions or more, no? It's the intersection of their domains. So pag ito ay real numbers, ito naman ay greater than or equal to 5 over 2. Ang intersection niyan, syempre, is yung andito from here, di ba? Mag-intersect sila dito. Itong dalawang to. Yan yung intersection ng domain nila. So, meaning the domain of t minus u is the same as the domain of t, di ba? So, the domain is actually equal to x is an element of real numbers, no? Such that x is greater than or equal to 5/2. Actually, pwede namang wala na tong element of real numbers. So, pwedeng x such that x is greater than or equal to 5/2. Yun yung domain of t minus u. In interval notation, kung familiar kayo, this is 5/2 up to infinity. Okay, so, check nyo yung ating tutorial on interval notation. Very important yun. Dapat alam nyo, no? Para pag ito yung ginamit natin, dapat alam nyo. Pag set notation yung ginamit natin, alam nyo rin, di ba? Okay, so that's it. Sana ay may natutunan tayo dito sa video na to. Gusto ko yung i-invite sa ating YouTube channel, no? youtube.com/user/9ph. Yung ating Facebook page, facebook.com/9ph. At syempre yung ating website, no? So, I'll see you in the next tutorial.